Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to write about the function in here. Y equals to s over 2. The graph should be like this. Y equal to 2 with the square root of s. The graph should be like this. So we just concentrate about the positive. S equals to number 4. That should be in here. The area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. And this area they will rotate it by s-axis. Now we apply the formula in here. We can use about washer method. So that should be about the volume equals to B. And we have the integration from A to B. So we need to put about the upper function to the power of 2 minus the lower function to the power of 2. So we see that they start from 0 and they end at number 4. So we have the integration from 0 to number 4. The upper function that is about this one. So that's about number 2 with the square root of s. The lower, that is about this one. And we have s over number 2. So this one we have 4s. This one we have s squared over number 4. Now we calculate about this one. The integration of s. We have s squared over 2. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 4. So 4 divided by 2, we have number 2. 4 and number 3, we have 12. So we can put number 4 going here, number 0 going here. So we calculate about this one. And we have 80 over 3b. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.